Hello, I'm Agrisha and the title of my research is Fostering Student Speaking Fluency by Using Shadowing Technique. How is students' perception toward the use of it? The acquisition of English speaking skills can be considered the most important for students to develop among other skills, since the competence of students' skills is often measured by the quality of delivery opinions produced to measure their academic competence in using English. Why speaking fluency? No other aspect in speaking, because it bridges between words recognition and comprehension. Also, it is important to effectively express students' thoughts and ideas to others. Why shadowing technique, not other technique? Because nowadays students learn visually, and most of visual learning always needs a video or audio to support the understanding and learning. Hence, shadowing technique can be included in the way students learn through video or audio in order to foster their speaking fluency. And then the researcher want to know the experiences of students who have applied this technique in learning English. Research question: do students agree on the use of shadowing technique to foster their speaking fluency? The term students' perception here focuses on to what extent students agree on the use of shadowing technique to foster their speaking fluency. The objective is to analyze whether students agree with using shadowing technique to foster their speaking fluency. Significance of this study. The result of this study can be used for students, can help them to convey to what extent they agree with shadowing technique to foster their speaking fluency and the reason, which latter can improve the quality of the use of this technique. For teacher, can be used to find out to what extent students agree on the use of shadowing technique to foster their speaking fluency. Then the teacher will know what should they do next with this technique. For other researcher, can be used as a reference for other advanced researchers who have the same topic interest as this research. Shadowing technique, according to Luster, shadowing is repeating what the speaker is saying. Speaking fluency is an ability that can be developed or improved in various ways. Speaking fluency is when someone able to speak or express ideas spontaneously, quickly, and completely. Student perception are the opinions, thought, or feeling about something. In the context of this research, the researcher focuses on to what extent students agree on the use of shadowing technique to foster their speaking fluency. These 5 previous studies have explored and proven that shadowing technique can improve students' speaking skills in general and also in some aspects such as pronunciation and accuracy. Other than speaking skills, this technique can improve listening skills as well. This research will continue transition from previous research but with different focus. This research focuses to analyze students' perception, especially to what extent they agree on the use of this technique to improve their speaking fluency. This research will use qualitative method with descriptive types. Why qualitative method is suitable for this study? Because later, the result of this research will explain in a form of words, sentences, and paragraph in a very detailed way, and this research will analyze to what extent students agree on the use of shadowing technique to foster their speaking fluency. The subject, those who experience in doing shadowing technique, they are 11th grade students of Kemala Bayangkariban Surabaya Senior High School. The researcher will use questionnaire in the form of Google Form and interview guideline to follow up on students' answer from the questionnaire. Data analysis technique, the first transcribing, the researcher will transcribe the interview result, and then after doing transcription, the researcher will give each result of interview with special code to categorize students' voice whether they agree or disagree. Then analyzing, the researcher will analyze based on the code written. For example, in code agreement, how many students are agree and what are the reason. And it will be the same with the questionnaire. And the last is interpreting. The researcher will combine the result of analysis with questionnaire statement to find out the meaning of the data collected to answer the research question. Thank you.